Good morning from the beautiful island of Siargao. We are up north exploring around. This morning we are going to be eating at Trogon Perch, Oceanfront, Trogon Perch, Oceanfront Resort Restaurant. It's a beautiful place. Stopped here one time before, but never ate there. And I told my wife, I said, we're up here, we're going to eat here. It's a very, very nice resort. I would say it's probably the premier resort up here, I would say. According to me. You might have different tastes. But we're going to go in there. I'm going to show you a little bit of the resort and the view from up there. And we're going to start our day.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well aware. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me?
All right, that was a delicious breakfast. Trogon's Perch. I didn't know this. A little bit of history about the place. It was named after a species of bird on this island, or in the Philippines, Trogon. Trogon. I didn't know that. Though, the kid I was talking to said he never seen one here. Anyways, 500 pesos in consumable per person to come in and eat. It is open to the public, obviously. 800 pesos in consumable if you want to come in and use their infinity pool. But very nice, relaxing, beautiful view. Nice breeze through here. I mean, look at your view through here. It's just beautiful. Got surfers out there. This here on the left-hand side here, this little, I know the damn trees annoy. Let me get a better shot. There you go. Supposedly that was a lighthouse. It says no trespass in government property. Well, you can see the steps that going up there. Like I said, they say that was a lighthouse at one time. But once again, here's your view. Beautiful, huh? So we're gonna head down the road. We got more places to explore. And guys, strictly no drone flying here. Stopped here at Pacicon Beach. This is for sale, guys. 1 point some hectares, 250 million pesos. I think it's right around 4,000 US dollars. You're paying for the location, but this is beautiful back in here. Nice sand. 80 pesos entrance fee. I don't mind paying that. But wow, look at that. Comes with the cottages. I guess you're gonna have to fix up the cottages, and you can rent the cottages here. But wow, this is nice to come up here, pay an 80 peso entrance fee just to hang out here. You got the whole beach area here to yourself, and I'm telling you, it's beautiful, sandy. Yeah, really, really nice. right, Secret Mountain View. This is a great place. A lot of people come here, do videos, do pictures. It's just a beautiful shot down through there at the ocean. But you gotta watch out. You don't become roadkill here. Because like I said, very popular spot right here for doing selfies, and it's just an amazing view here. But it gets better when you get up in the sky.
Being gentle with how we feel. There's a charge in the room. I can feel all the fire rising. I'll handle with care. We will honor this tender space, giving time to let go. Peace comes as we pause, breathing in deep until there's calm. Peace comes as we pause, breathing in deep.
And this is Little Hawaii. All right, this is probably one of the coolest places on the island that you got to check out. Magda Spring Pool, Barangay San Juan, San Benito, Siargao Island. This is cool. I love this place. This is one of the places I wanted to come back to and check out. Right, isn't that beautiful, the way they have that landscape through there? You do pay a small fee to enter, but what is it, Lut? How much? 30 pesos per person. Opens at 9 a.m., closes at 5 p.m. No night swimming?
No.
Not allowed, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go. It's cool. All right, so it is a little hike back in here. Nothing hard. If I can do it, you can do it. But it's beautiful through here. Walking through the jungle. Just walk up the path. Just little flowers you see. Bamboo. You don't want to come up here though during the rainy season. And I'll show you why when we get up here. Why you wouldn't come up here during the rainy season. We are almost there, guys. And wait till you see this place. It's to me, is probably one of the best places to visit on the island, especially if you're up north. I wouldn't pass it up. 300 pesos per day for a cottage rental here. Here's what's nice about, I'm gonna walk up here. Here's what's nice about public places like this, and I even think, you know, I don't know if they have I think they have state parks here, but you get out here in the barangay, you get to these cold springs like this, and alcohol is allowed. Hello. They welcome alcohol. But you can come up here for the day, 300 pesos, rent a cottage, bring all your food up here, bring your Filipino family, load up everything on a trike, and just enjoy it up here. But let me show you where we're at here. Give you a little pan through here. It's water is fed down through here, boom, down through here. There's these little rock pools here that you can swim in, hang out. All right, guys, I'm gonna take the big plunge. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Oh, wow. I'm only knee deep, but it is refreshing. Look at this, beautiful, huh? And surprisingly, the stones are not slippery. Like I said, little pool here. There goes a little fish. I'm gonna work my way over this way. Look out. Work my way over here. There's some big fish. I guess if you have a fishing line and you want to catch your own fish, you can. No, I'm just joking. But during rainy season, this is just a big mud mess through here. Work our way over here to the crowd of Filipinos. All right, I'm gonna jump. This time I am gonna jump. Jump down in there. All right. I'm scared. I'm scared. Don't be scared. I'm a what? Big dragon? She said I'm a big dragon. Ah, yeah. All right, guys, here we go. Countdown. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! Ah, very nice. Woo! All right, we got a couple jumpers here. All right, he's a twister. You a flip man? You flip? Flip, flip, flip. Oh, backflip. Man, he's high tech. Bam! All right. All right, it's Luke's turn. Don't be afraid. Ready? Are you ready? All right, I'm ready. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go! No, but it's refreshing. Are you touching? No, you're not touching yet. It's just refreshing. It cools you off. I have a question. Is there any anaconda in here?
The what?
Anaconda.
No. Anaconda.
Yeah, yeah. No anaconda.
Yes.
And
Crocodile.
no crocodile. Only crocodile. I know. But it does look like it.
No anaconda and crocodile here.
No, I hear. Good. Piranha. She's a piranha. As I'm going to give you a little history here. This is called a rumblum tree, according to my wife. All right, and she said they cut those off. You can see where they cut them. And what they do is they dry it out, and they make strips out of that, and then they make a rumblum mat, which is pretty popular here in the Philippines.
Every province.
Yeah, but
That's very popular in Siargao.
very popular. Well, have you ever heard of a rumblum mat? Rumblum. That's what they use to make the rumblum mat. I didn't know that. I just thought they were cool-looking trees. All right, guys, I am going to wrap this one up. We got back here 3 o'clock. Took a nap. Took an afternoon nap, right? But anyways, let me know what you think. What did you like? Which place did you like? Trogon Perch? The Overlook Mountain Overlook? Little Hawaii? That extravagant place that was for sale for 250 million pesos, roughly 4 million US dollars. The rock pool. Let me know. Please leave a comment down below. Give me some thumbs up. Or hey, Philly, I hated it all. I just didn't like it. I don't like this kind of video. Oh yeah, what a fun day. What an adventurous day. An hour from where we live up north here. You sit up here and you can think, it's just relaxing. No TV in our room, so you don't have the TV. Of course, you got internet. But it's been a fun day. A fun day. And like I said, let me know. And we were laughing. I don't know if you guys picked it up, the one Filipina girl. She said, don't be afraid to jump. You're a dragon. Lit and I got a kick out of that. We're still laughing about it. Never been called a dragon before. But yeah, don't be afraid also if you get out to intermix, talk with the locals and laugh with the locals and joke with the locals, and don't be afraid. So anyways, we're going to have dinner. I'm going to call it a day. That is my view right there, looking out at the ocean. With that being said, like I said, leave comments down below. Let me know what you think. Good or bad. I'm open for any and all comments. Take care.